Hey guys, I'm here today with another Kawaii unboxing. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a coat, it's because it's cold in my room for some reason. But yeah, so my Kawaii box. Kawaii box. Yeah, they write my name all over it because here at college, that's how they identify things. As for you, so I try not to damage the box and stuff because it's so cute. But I'm taking off the tape right now. Where is there any more tape? No, it's only on one side, it seems like. I always struggle to open these things. Oh wait, there's tape here, sorry. Tape. I think I got it to go. There's so much tape on these things that come such a long way. Ooh, I'm so excited because my friend told me I will love this box. So, the review. Ooh, I can already tell I'm gonna like this. It's all so cute. Where's the thing that I can show that has all of them on it? There it is. Kawaii Halloween, because it's October. What does it say inside? So it says there's a Kawaii plushie charm, which must be this one right here, which is so cute. Then, oh goodness, stuff is flying everywhere. There's a Clara unicorn card protector. So they said it's like card holder for your bus card, library card, credit card. This is so cute. I love it. Korean stationery set. So this must be that, which is so cute. I love it. Like, look at all these. I don't even know what these characters are because I've never seen Korean characters. I thought it was more like Japanese that was in here, but I think this is really cool. On the back, I think it's really cute. Then there's another bag charm. Oh, so, oops, sorry. This is the plushie. And then this is the charm. And then the pocket mirror. That's probably one thing I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna use, but pocket mirror. I mean, it's kind of cute on the outside, but I'm not that much of a beauty guru or whatever. Halloween Ghost Squishy. Is that in here? Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. I'm in love. Because I've been telling you, I've been trying to get squishies for so long, and this one is so cute. Oh my god. Like, look at that face with its tongue out and the blushy cheeks. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, and then I've seen these snacks. I don't really know what they taste like, but I've seen them before on other people's Japanese, unboxing things, so I'm excited to try it. Oh, it's a corn snack. Oh, yum. What else is there? So it looks like the rest is stationery. So I love this one. It's the Sanrio characters, and it happens to be cinnamon roll, which I think is really cute. That's to show it. And then the other one is message note stationery, which looks like this, which is really cute. Oh, my friend is so right. I love this box. What is this though? Did I miss this? Oh yes, and there's Halloween stickers. Gosh, that's so cute. I'll definitely be using these because I often send people cards around Halloween, and these are just so cute, and I wouldn't use them otherwise. I have some other Halloween stickers that my sister has given me also, so yeah, this is a pretty good box. There's some nice cute little things in here. I really think this thing is cute. This is so cute. But this is legit my favorite. Like this squishy, oh my god. I'll have to open it and everything, but I'm not gonna do that right at this moment because that would just make this video a little bit unnecessarily long. But wait, what is this? Is this supposed to be? Oh, it's the one that's supposed to be a rice ball? That's pretty cute. This one has like a little bit like charms and stuff that I don't know if I would like necessarily use the charms because I don't really do that really much on my backpack. But I think I'll just keep them the way they are. But they're so cute. Yeah, overall, I'm still very happy with this box. Honestly, there were more things that like got me excited in the last one. But overall, this is like my favorite. And I can't, I love it. Oh my god, I want to scream. It's so cute. So yeah, it's nice that there's a food item kind of in every one because I feel like that's a way to get to try different foods. I've been thinking about doing a food box also, so guys let me know in the comments if you like to see me trying different kinds of food because I'm thinking about doing that. And yeah, overall, I think this is a great box. I think my favorite items is the squishy and the pocket thing, because this is just so cute. It says, make a girl more kawaii. Yes, I am kawaii. Like, that's me. So I love that. That's probably my two favorite items. But overall, I think it's a really good Halloween one. Because it has a lot of like black cats and stuff, and the squishy is just like the highlight of the box, and the stickers are really cute too because I like stickers. I use them plenty because I have a niece and a nephew and they're young, so I like to jazz it up and put them on the cards and stuff. But yeah. And hopefully one day I hope to be part of this. I love Kawaii box, and this is just the beginning. This is my second box and I absolutely love it. There's no other box like this box. It's affordable and you get a lot of cute little items in here. Compared to like Yummy Twins, which is like, I think it's about $35 or something. It's a little bit too much. Especially being a college student that I don't work. So, yeah, that's just not the best way for me. But, yeah, so thank you for watching. And I'm gonna go back to the stuff I got to do with the best squishy. Yeah. Love you guys.